Previously, we have discussed the regression analysis using the manual Excel calculation. So in this video, I will show you how to use the powerful regression tool designed in the Microsoft Excel to solve the linear regression problems. So as you can see, this is the results that we want to come up from the value that we have taken into account from the previous example. So let's recap back again. The example came from this problem, which is a firm's sales for a product line during the 12 quarters for the past 3 years were given in this table, and they want to have the forecast for the quarter number 13, 14, 15 and 16. So in this case, we will use a very powerful tool. They call it a data analysis tool to solve the linear regression. If you do not have this data analysis tab in your Microsoft Excel, what you should do is that you need to import this tab to your Microsoft Excel interface. How to do it? You click into File and then go to Option. All right. From this option, you go to Add-ins. This Add-ins. All right. And then you click Go there. Excel Add-ins. You click Go, and ensure that you have this Analysis toolpack being ticked. Once you have ticked this one and you click OK, you should have your data analysis toolpack in your Microsoft Excel interface. So let's solve this problem. All right, but before that, we want to see the chart for this one. So I will draw a chart for this data. So I will go to Insert. Okay, we go to the charts. Okay, all right, the charts, and then we will go for the scatter chart, which is this one. Okay, so this is the chart. Okay, basically this is the scatter chart. I want to add up a regression line, so you click here, add trend line. So add trend line, so you will have this trend line. All right, and then of course, if you look into here, I want to display the equation on the chart. So automatically the equation is revealed there. Previously we need to calculate it manually. You see, we need to calculate it manually. We need to find the A value, the B value, and so on, and then only we can calculate the Y value. But in this case, using this formula, using this method, you can automatically have the value of A and B by having to insert the formula from this one. All right, you can simply have this formula by having to click the display equation on the chart, which is this one. Display the equation on the chart, and then automatically the equation will be revealed to you from the Microsoft Excel. So, but before that, I need to touch up a bit on this graph. I want to touch up a bit. Let's touch up a bit. We go to chart design, and then we try to put the primary horizontal. The primary horizontal is the axis of the quarter. Okay, quarter. All right, quarter. And then for the vertical one is the sales. It's the sales. Okay, so it looks a bit more nicer. And then let's change the chart title into the sales forecast. Sales forecast. All right, so it looks good. It looks better. So now we want to search for the value of the Y. Remember the Y value, this one. Okay, if you remember the Y value that we are looking for, the Y value here, this one we calculate it manually. Now we want to do it automatically using the linear regression formula. All right, so from this value, so what you need to do, you need to put the equation. Y is equivalent to 359.62 multiplied by the X value. Okay, and then you plus 441.67. So you will have this value of 801. Copy it again, so you can have all this value automatically revealed to you using this this formula. So now we want to go for the forecast of year number for quarter number 13, 14, 15, and 16. So what you should do is just copy and paste, and automatically the value is there. Alright, so the value is there. So it is the same, see? So it is, this way is much more faster than doing it manually like this, whereby you need to multiply the xy, and then x squared, y squared, and then the value y will be revealed there. So the value is the same. Alright, even for example, for the quarter of 12, 4757, so it should be 4757. So I didn't show you yet again on the use of the data analysis. So why don't we go for the data analysis? When you go for, because we want to find out what is the standard error estimate for this linear regression. The standard error is the value from this point to the center, to this line. What is the error between these two the vertical distance from this point to this line for all of this line. So we want to find the value for it. So what you should do is that you click on the data analysis there. Alright, you click that data analysis, and then you go for the, you select on the regression here. Okay, regression. So you click OK. Alright, they will ask you what is the input for x, y range and x range. So in this case, I want to see the y range is from here until here. Okay, and then the x range is from here until here. Okay, B17. Okay, so C6 until C17. Okay, B6 until B17. So you put there, and then I want to have the output range. I want to be in this sheet, the same sheet. So I want put output range. I want to see the result here. Just put it there, and then you click OK, and voila, the value is already there. The value of the standard error for the regression. So this is the most important thing. We want to find out what is the standard error. The standard error is the distance, the average distance from this point to this line. So the standard error is 363.8778. Even if you want to find the coefficients is here. The standard error for the intercept, x variable 1 is here, the t statistics, t value here, p value here. So this is the best way of using the data analysis to solve the linear regression problems. So I hope this video helps. Thank you.